Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Simpiwe, also known as Sims M. If you're new here, thank you so much for coming and joining us, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching another video. If you didn't watch a video that came before this, you have to start with that one first so that you can understand the contents of this video. In this video, I'm giving you a hair update. I decided to do this Bergamont essence concoction treatment, and I did it for a month, and this is basically a month treatment. When I did that video, I was struggling with receding hairline, bald patches, hair loss, all the hair problems you can basically think of, and now I'm back with the update, with the review. Before getting into the results, I want to share on two important things that I noticed. The first one is that once I started using this product, my hair stopped falling off, so I don't lose as much hair as I used to lose. I did say to you guys that when I showered, I'd check and I'd find so much hair on my hands because I was losing so much hair. The second thing that I want to share with you guys is the fact that as I started using this product, this concoction, I noticed that my hair became very itchy, especially after spraying the product. My hair became very itchy. I don't know if the product itself has drying properties where it dried up my scalp. I'm not sure if that is the case, but it became very itchy. But after a couple of days, maybe about a week of using it consistently, the itchiness stopped. But what I also did is that I included leave-in conditioner. So I'd spray the concoction, and then after I'd use a leave-in conditioner, and I noticed the difference. You know, I stopped itching and my hair didn't feel dry. Let's get straight into the results. These are the results. I think I'm going to insert a clip right here where I show you guys how the condition of my hair was when I started the treatment. This is my hair right now. I'm going to bend down. I had a very massive bald patch here, but I don't know if you guys can see, it's closing down. Like, my hair is filling up and it's becoming fuller, and the bald patch, you can still see a bit of space, but it's not as bad as it was at the time when I started the treatment. It means my hair is growing, it's recovering, it's doing something that it has been failing to do this whole year basically. So another thing is that my hairline, as you guys can see, my hairline is coming back powerfully. I'm telling you, I was never able to even lay my edges, but my hairline is coming back and it is looking so good. I'm basically very happy with how my hair looks right now and how my hairline is looking. I did think of doing braids, but I feel like I need to maybe go another month on this treatment just so that my hair can be fuller and my hairline can fully recover. It's not 100% there yet, but the results are so visible, as you can see. And it's only here and here where there's still some missing parts, but I've always had like fewer hair here, and some people just say that that's your baby hairs, so your hair starts here and then you've got a lot of baby hair. So I don't know about that. I'm still going to check how that works out. Another thing that I need to mention about this treatment is that it grows your hair. So in the last video I didn't really show, but my hair didn't stretch like this. So now when I do this, my hair has length for days. Like, I don't know if you guys can see it. I'm standing on my feet, guys, because this is a quick video, but I don't know if you guys can see, it has grown so much, and that is why now I feel like I can actually do braids. You know, I can actually do braids. So I usually leave it like this and I allow it to shrink, but deep down I know that my hair is growing and I'm excited about this, and I'm going to go for another month. I'll probably include the 2 months update in one of my vlogs or one of my videos, but you guys let me know if you want me to do a 2 months hair update in a separate video. I am more than happy to do that for you guys. And yeah, I really do hope that you enjoyed this video and that it was informative. And if you have any hair struggles, maybe share in the comment section below. Let us know if we are experiencing the same thing, if it's just me, and what are some of the things that you do to combat your hair issues. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.